Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to walk you through how I swing trade credit spreads on QQQ for a living. So I'm going to walk you through this, the idea, the strategy, and then at the end of this video, I'm going to actually put on a live trade with you. So if you want to understand the exact specific steps on how I do this, this is the video for you. If you want to learn more about credit spreads, then please hit subscribe because this is the channel for you. Anyways, let's dive into it. First off, we need to understand the trend. Which way is QQQ going? If we're looking at the market, it looks like it's generally going up, but I don't like to use generally or ideas to place trades off. I like to use things that I can measure and predict. So friends, you can see here that we have a Bollinger Band indicator with, let's see if I can change the settings here. Where we have the length of 200 and the standard deviation of 1. This is the best approximation of the impeccable stock band that I've created and that I use, but because the Bollinger Band can be used by anyone, this is what I'm going to use for today's video. When it's above this top line, it means that the stock is trending up and momentum is increasing. This means it's in an uptrend and moving higher. So what we like to see here is when momentum is moving higher and we have strong red days, that's the ideal time to enter put credit spread trades. Why? Well, because the momentum and the strength is pushing upward, like we see here, and it's dropping. When it drops, it allows us to go out further for our credit spreads and collect more credit so that we have a safer return that is roughly the same or even more than we would if it was a green day. So that's why we like to enter, or why I like to enter on red days for my put credit spread trades. This ideally is how it's set up. But again, I like using the 10% credit spreads trade ideas algo, and if you can see here, let me refresh the screen to get the most recent alert here. You can see here QQQ trade. This is going to be the live trade that I put on for you. Right here, you can see it tells me the date alerted, which is today, August 2nd. It tells me I need to go out to the August 18th expiration date. I need to do the put of 366 is the strike price I'm selling. 365 is the strike price I'm buying. I want to collect at least 15 cents in credit for a $1 wide. And I have a 90% win rate, and on average, if I only follow this strategy for QQQ, I can make a 27% annualized return. That's 3 to 4 times the average yearly return. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually follow this alert. But the first thing I want to do is I want to turn it into a $2 wide. So again, that's going to be the 365, 363. That's going to be collect at least 28 cents. So let's go to the broker and let's see if I can follow this alert and place it. Okay, so if I go into Tastytrade here, I have QQQ on my platform right here. If I go into the trade section, I'm going into August 18th, which I already have a trade on for. I'm going to come over here. What was the exact price again? It was 365, 363. 365, 365, 363. This is where it wants me. This is the credit spread it wants me to put on. However, because it's a red day and I can go out further, thus making my win rate even higher. So right now I have roughly a 90% win rate and it wants me to collect 28 cents. So if it wants me to collect 28 cents, I'm going to take this and I'm going to expand it out to where I can get roughly around 28 cents. So around 363.58 is where I can collect 28 cents on this trade, and I'm still further out of the money. So it recommends a 365, but I can go all the way out to 360, giving me $5 of extra room, and I'm still collecting the minimum credit. So that's exactly what I'm doing here, 360 and 358. So I'm gonna stick around 10 spreads for this one, just because I'm already in this position with 10 other spreads. So I'm gonna stick with 10. I want to make sure that my mid price I get at least 28. So that's the goal here, to stick around 28. Let's see if I can get filled at that level. So we're gonna undo this, but I want to get filled at 28. 10. All this stuff is good. Let's review the trade. 28 cents net credit today, 360, 358. Send the order, just like that, got filled. Now I have a credit spread trade on for QQQ with 360 being my level. So now you can see here 374, I went all the way down to 360, which is near the support. So that means I have until August 18th for QQQ to stay above 360. So let's walk through the specifics of this position. You can see here all the positions I have on. But you can see here, August 18th, the trade that I just put on, the 363.58, I collected 28 cents in credit with 10 spreads. That means 28 times 10, so I collected $280 in credit for putting on this trade. So putting on $280 in credit, what does that look like? 280. If I place this trade once a week, that's $1,120 every single month. Now again, we're not factoring in losses, but that will happen with a 90% win rate. I'm only going to have one loser out of every 10. Roughly. So that's kind of what we're going for. And so again, I can use QQQ in the exact way I just did to generate $1,000 of extra income a month. Anyways, guys, if you want to learn more about how to implement this system, how to follow the trade ideas algo and get all these alerts for yourself, click down below to learn more. And you can also grab my free trading handbook down below as well. All right, guys, I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I hope this video was educational and helps you as a credit spreads trader.